There are two types of crypto investors, those who are glued to the charts and those who let their portfolio do the work. If you're in the second camp, or you want to be, this video is for you. We're talking about dollar cost averaging, or DCA, and how you can set it up on Bitwala. Dollar cost averaging is a super simple but powerful strategy. Instead of trying to time the market, which is nearly impossible, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, no matter what the price is. When the price is high, your fixed amount buys you less crypto. When the price is low, it buys you more. Over time, this averages out your purchase price and helps reduce the impact of volatility. It's like a savings plan for your crypto. Now, let's look at how to set this up on the Bitwala app. First, you need to decide on two things: how much you want to invest and how often. Maybe it's 50 euros every week or 200 euros every month. The key is to pick an amount you're comfortable with and a schedule you can stick to. Once you have that in mind, open your Bitwala app. Navigate to your Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet. Find the savings plan or recurring buy option. This is where you'll automate your DCA strategy. You'll enter the amount you decided on and select the frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly. Confirm the details, and you're good to go. The best part? Bitwala handles the rest. You don't have to log in every day or every week to make a purchase. The app automatically buys the crypto for you, and your investment grows in your wallet. This takes the emotion out of investing, so you don't panic buy when the market is pumping or sell out of fear when it's down. DCA is a strategy for the long game. It's about building a solid foundation for your crypto portfolio, piece by piece, regardless of the short-term ups and downs. So, set it and forget it. That's how you use dollar cost averaging on Bitwala.